Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we are gonna learn how we can easily log into your existing Tastytrade account successfully and easily. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First, launch open any web browser of your preference and type in tastytrade.com in it and search. You'll find yourself in the official website for Tastytrade. From the Tastytrade website, click on Sign In at the top right corner. In the Sign In area, you need to enter your username and password. Just make sure you have your credentials remembered. If you remember your credential, write down your username in the first field and then your password on the next. If you don't remember your password, you can click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the reset process. After entering your credentials correct, click on Sign In and you'll be signed into your Tastytrade account in no time. So that's it. That is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.